Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking you on a fun journey to one of the most exciting events of the year, the 2024 Venice Film Festival. From beautiful gowns that looked like a dream to bold fashion choices that stood out, the red carpet this year was a real show. And guess what? We've got all the details on what your favorite celebrities wore. Let's dive in and check out the glamour. 2024 Venice Film Festival, Celebrity Red Carpet Looks. Angelina Jolie. First up, the queen herself, Angelina Jolie. Glowing star Angelina stunned everyone in a light brown gown that fit her perfectly. The high slit added some drama, and her blonde hair, styled with diamond-like shine, made her look like pure Hollywood elegance. Her smoky eye makeup and red lips made a bold statement. Angelina always knows how to impress. Sveva Alviti. Next is the beautiful Italian actress Sveva Alviti, who looked amazing in a shiny red gown. Dizzy, the dress had an asymmetrical neckline and a fitted shape, making her look like a modern goddess. Sveva kept her hair sleek and her makeup simple, letting her dress be the star. It was a bold choice that worked wonderfully. Lili Reinhart. Lili Reinhart brought a romantic vibe to the red carpet with her metallic black gown decorated with delicate floral designs. Cherry blossom, she wore her hair in loose waves and had soft, glowing makeup, making her look like a fairy tale princess. A magical appearance that got everyone talking. Nicole Kidman. Nicole Kidman made a statement in a metallic light brown and black gown with a deep neckline and dramatic cape sleeves. Her choice of fiery light brown was a perfect match for her bold personality. Nicole styled her hair in a sleek bun and wore minimal accessories, allowing her natural beauty to shine. A daring choice that showed off her fearless fashion sense. Purnell. Next, Purnell went for a minimalist look with a simple, all-gold gown that was both elegant and chic. The simplicity of her dress was perfectly matched by her bold nude lip color and effortlessly styled hair. Ella's look was a perfect example of less is more on the red carpet. Sophie Wilde. Sophie Wilde added a pop of color to the red carpet with her vibrant, black dress. Paint palette, she paired it with natural makeup and a bun hairstyle, making her look both fun and fresh, a true fashion risk that paid off. Cate Blanchett. Cate Blanchett, always a fashion icon, chose a stunning emerald white velvet gown that looked classy and sophisticated. Green heart, the rich color and luxurious fabric highlighted her grace and elegance, while her stylish updo and statement earrings completed the look. Cate continues to be a favorite on the red carpet. George and Amel Clooney. Now, let's talk about the power couple, George and Amel Clooney. Smiling-faced George looked sharp in a classic black tuxedo, but Amel stole the spotlight in a sparkling sequined gown. The shiny silver and her effortless style made her one of the best dressed of the night. A perfect match in both love and fashion. Jenna Ortega. Jenna Ortega rocked the red carpet with a cool, fashion-forward outfit that was both elegant and bold. Black heart with her sleek hairstyle and standout makeup, Jenna's look was a fresh take on red carpet style. She's not afraid to take risks, and we love it. Ursula Corbero. Ursula Corbero caught everyone's attention in a modern, daring outfit with unique cuts and bold patterns. Scissors, her bold fashion choice showed off her confident style, while her sleek bob and simple makeup kept the focus on her statement look. Ursula is definitely one to watch on the red carpet. Ursula Corbero. Ursula Corbero caught everyone's attention in a modern, daring outfit with unique cuts and bold patterns. Scissors, her bold fashion choice showed off her confident style, while her sleek bob and simple makeup kept the focus on her statement look. Ursula is definitely one to watch on the red carpet. Hoyeon Jung. Hoyeon Jung brought high fashion to the Venice Film Festival with her stylish outfit and bold accessories. Sparkler, her standout hairstyle and dramatic makeup made her a highlight on the red carpet, proving she's more than just a model, she's a fashion star. Isabelle Huppert. Finally, the legendary Isabelle Huppert graced the red carpet in an elegant red maxi dress with a vintage twist. Top hat, her timeless style and sophisticated look left a strong impression, blending old Hollywood glamour with modern chic. Isabelle's outfit was a perfect mix of classic and contemporary. And that's a wrap, everyone. Those were the most memorable looks from the 2024 Venice Film Festival red carpet. Which celebrity look did you like the most? Which outfit was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, we can't wait to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more fabulous fashion updates. Until next time, stay stylish.